Hi, Casper here. The 24-inch colorful M1 iMacs have a custom accent color that corresponds to the color of the iMac, and is basically a more muted version of the base color. So for example, you have a green iMac, you're gonna get a muted kind of dark green color. Or you have a yellow iMac, you're gonna get a muted version of the yellow color, etc, etc. So basically, if you prefer muted colors, then this workaround that I'm gonna show you to enable those colors on any iMac running macOS 11.3.1 or newer is gonna be really helpful, because you're gonna be able to swap those very vibrant colors that you have by default, accent colors, for those more muted and calm colors from the M1 24-inch iMacs. So you're gonna need to use a terminal for that, and also I'm gonna show probably if it's gonna freeze for me, because sometimes if you change an accent color on your iMac, on your Mac overall, you are basically the dock freezes sometimes. I'm gonna also show how to fix it without having to restart your entire computer. So yeah, let's get started. So let's begin. First thing, I'm gonna open up the blog post that I found on the internet, that I found out about this workaround from. The link to it is gonna be in the description, and here you're gonna have all the comments to copy, and also the numbers that correspond to iMac colors. So let's begin by opening up terminal. It can be iTerm, just terminal. I'm going to be using iTerm. And the first thing that you want to do is to copy this first command. It's basically going to enable the iMac color, basically the iMac colors on your iMac, on your Mac. So you're going to just paste it and press return. Now copy this command and paste it, but don't press return yet. You're gonna have to, if you want to have a different color than yellow, you're gonna have to modify this last digit here. So you're gonna choose any of these colors and basically enter the digit that corresponds to this color here. So if I want to have a green accent color, I can just simply type 4 here and now press return. Now if I'm gonna go to my system preferences, general, and here you have the accent colors. You see a new accent color appeared, which is called this Mac, and this is basically the M1 iMac accent color. As you can see right here, everything is in this muted dark green that I told you about before. It's kind of like slightly bluish green as well. And now you can obviously switch between accent colors, but what if you want to change the color from green to, for example, yellow? Just simply redo this command right here, just simply with a different digit, so it's gonna overwrite it. So in case of yellow, use 3, return, close system, quit system preferences, open them up again, and you're gonna see here in general that now instead of having green here, you have yellow, and it's also called this Mac. Now everything is just this kind of muted yellow. So if you want to now completely disable it, so if you really want to get rid of this this Mac color, just go to main page of system preferences and basically close system preferences, copy this command again, check is my accent color is for some reason still this iMac thing. I'm just gonna go to general, switch it to a normal accent color, first thing that you should do. Now copy this command, go to terminal paste it, and now to disable the additional M1 iMac accent color, just simply replace the yes with capital No and press return. Now, after going to system preferences once again, go to general, and you're gonna see that the this Mac accent color have disappeared, and the dock is working for me like supposed to, which is kind of sad because I won't show you the dock freezing thing, but in case the dock freezes for you and you can't click anything, it's just not responding at all, like it's basically not responding, then go to your terminal, and because that sometimes happens after changing the accent color, even if you're not adding the M1 iMac thing, even if you're just changing the accent color, then go to your terminal and type in this command, killall dock. It's basically gonna restart your dock. All of your windows are gonna be back up on screen, but your dock is gonna work as intended. If that doesn't work, then you'll sadly have to restart your computer. And if you don't have terminal open and you don't know how to do it, basically just spotlight and type in iTerm or just terminal, and depending on what app you use, and you're gonna have terminal window, and you can type it in here. So thanks for watching, I hope everything works for you. If you have any questions, if something is broken for you, then let me know down in the comments. I will try to help you as much as I can. And yeah, if you like this video, subscribe, leave a like, and as always, see you in the next one.